Hello everyone, guys. Recently in the comments, people asked me to explain more about training women. But for a softer audience, we'll call it setting your boundaries. So a woman always understands which actions and behavior will bring her positive emotions and a good mood from you, and which ones won't. Get comfortable. We're starting. Many men are very used to pleasing women for any reason or no reason at all. And if she's unhappy, nagging you, provoking a fight, many guys fall into the pattern of trying to soften her, doing something for her so she becomes kinder, cheering her up, and then the man expects the woman to change her behavior. The question is, why would she? Get ready. This will sound a bit controversial, but it's necessary. In one of my videos, I already gave an example with dogs. For instance, you get a puppy and you need to raise it. A dog understands reward and lack of reward. You give the dog a command, it follows it. And to reinforce that behavior, you should give a treat. Or when house training, the dog goes outside, you like that. So to reinforce it, again, you reward the dog. It would be pretty dumb if the dog went inside the house and you still gave it treats. That way it would think, okay, either way I get a reward, I get praise. Why should I behave a certain way if I get what I want no matter what? Makes sense, right? It's the same with women. A woman wants something from you. Love, affection, money, new shoes, a trip somewhere. That's completely normal, having desires. The question is which path she chooses to get what she wants. A woman can try to make your life better, take care of you, surround you with warmth, not stress you out for no reason, not start unnecessary fights or arguments, not argue with you where it's pointless. And then it naturally happens that you want to thank that woman. There's a reason to. Buy her those shoes, or a dress. Take her to the restaurant she's been wanting to go to. I've wanted this for a while, and it's exactly about meeting each other halfway. If a woman sees that this approach to getting what she wants actually works, she won't have a reason to look for another. She will try to make you happy and make herself happy too. But if this path doesn't work, or for example she's completely unreasonable, then darker tactics come into play. Guilt tripping, for instance. Kolya took his wife to Dubai and you can't even do that. Or she might give you the silent treatment. That also works well on many men. She may try things like withholding intimacy, attention, and so on. That works on a lot of guys too, and women repeat this pattern again and again. Maybe not because they don't love you, but because for them, it's a way to get what they want. Very many men don't recognize good treatment toward themselves. They don't reward a woman, or encourage her for it. But when everything goes bad, then the man starts moving. And later they wonder why women act that way. By the way, on Boosty, there's a lot of extra content that I obviously can't post on YouTube. There's material related to attraction and female manipulation. All the experience I've gathered in this area over 15 years. Plus, with Boosty subscribers I have a private chat where we sometimes discuss cases, and you can find like-minded people. All links are in the description. How can you blame women for behaving poorly if in most cases that behavior is encouraged by men themselves? We do the same thing. If it doesn't work one way, we try another and watch the result. Only a not-so-smart person does the same thing over and over and expects a different outcome. For your woman to act the way you want, you need to help her a little with that. You can call it whatever: raising, forming healthy behavior patterns, building good habits, or conditioning. The essence doesn't change. In relationships, you don't have to hide the fact that you won't reward behavior that makes you unhappy. If, for example, she wants, maybe you told her you'd buy those shoes, but the day before she started some argument out of nowhere and drained you emotionally. Then you can tell her the shoes are postponed and explain why. Say that you want to make her happy when she makes you happy. Women are not stupid at all. They won't act against their own interests. Plus, negative emotions, like for everyone else, don't bring them much joy. Unless, of course, you've run into someone unstable. And don't forget, if you're with a wonderful, empathetic, reasonable woman, her good attitude towards you and the behavior you like must absolutely be rewarded. If you don't do that, don't be surprised if it starts to decline.
I want to believe I'm sharing all this for reasonable men, though I know that doesn't describe all of you. If you want healthy, harmonious, happy relationships, you have to accept life as it is and adapt to it for maximum benefit to yourself. Men pay for women most of the time.
but many men pay for women who don't care about them. So during editing, it turned out the audio recorded terribly, so we're quickly re-recording now. Forgive me for that, and don't take away your like. Go ahead and drop it. For most men, paying isn't the issue. Providing for the family, taking responsibility, covering more expenses, giving gifts. This is what every man was taught. What matters to a man is that it's valued, and that he gets in return what he wants from a woman. And the anger and resentment of so many men is tied exactly to the fact that they don't get it. They don't get it because they don't know how. So this video might help you start learning to build communication with a woman on your terms, helping her make the right choice again and again for your happiness and hers. If you feel that you're not valued, not loved, and not respected, it's only because you agree to it. I like to say that a man always gets from a woman what he asks for. So if you reward bad treatment you're asking her for, the result is that she ignores you. You're basically begging her for that, and you're fine with it. Don't complain. Learn to tell a woman what you like and what you don't, how you can be treated and how you can't. Learn to say no. Learn to end the story when it can't be saved anymore and it makes no sense. Learn to set your boundaries in communication with a woman. And in this, nothing helps like my content. So subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if the video was useful and interesting. Drop a comment. I was glad to see you all, guys. Everyone have a great life. Bye.